Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to edit Shopify meta descriptions. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. I'm currently onto my web builder, but I'm going to head over to my admin section. Now if you want to simply edit Shopify meta descriptions, that could be done from an integration that you can use, or you can head over to your settings and actually not on your settings. So I highly suggest you guys head over to integration and search in here for meta descriptions. So search that in your app store and you will have some apps related to that, and you can incorporate them to easily change your meta descriptions. So if you want to simply change your descriptions using AI and all that, everything is pretty much available in here, as you can see. Now let's just go back and I'm going to be showing you that here, as you can see onto this page. So here we have different Shopify meta descriptions. You can utilize all of them to easily editable. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.